Monday morning fabrics, nothing that makes us feel better than new fabric on Monday morning. And most of these are Armani's, so this is kind of fun. This is Armani, and it's his denim, and it's truly a denim. So one white thread, one blue thread, it's a navy. It does have stretch in one direction, 100% cotton, beautiful selvage, 100% cotton, just an incredible fabric. Mr. Armani did us well. This next fabric is a cotton poly. I put it because it goes with this one really nicely, this Armani. This is a Pontoroma. It's mostly cotton. It has a little bit of poly, but it has stretch in both directions. Great fluid fabric, very pretty. Just a really great fabric. This is an Armani, and it's known because he did the gray and the beige together, the greige, he called it. And this is it. He's got beige on this side, and then gray on the other side, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions. A reversible jacket would be beautiful. Just a great, nice, beautiful fabric. The fiber on this is 100% viscose. This is also an Armani denim, but this is his black on black. So it's got two black threads, black in both directions. It's a twill weave. I know you can't see much of it. It does have stretch in one direction. It's a slight stretch. It's not a lot of stretch in one direction. So if you've been doing the jeans, this would be the way to go. And these Armani jeans, you guys, if you've shopped them, they are really, really pricey. And this is not. So it's a great deal. And I don't have lots of quantities on any of these. This is the panel. We didn't know if it was a Chanel or a Ralph Lauren. I'm still not sure. There's only a few panels left. I had a request to put it back up. So here you have it. It's 100% cotton. It's reversible. Both sides are usable. And it is incredible. The fringe goes, you know, one panel we cut in between that fringe. Two panels, you get the whole fringe. All right, and this is a 100% cotton. It goes with both of these, to be honest. This one probably a little bit better. It's a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's just a really beautiful natural. So if you need a pair of pants or a top or anything like that, 100% cotton, natural, just really beautiful. Stretch in both directions. All right, the goal, you have it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.